Welcome to
CJ's.
Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ.
It's Fat Cat's
CJ's Garage.
It's Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ's Garage.
It's my channel. Who cares? So this is the Fat Cat's Garage.
CJ.
Oh motherfucker. So we are today now working on a
Tiburon.
what years and all that makes models fucking.
So, 06 2.7 V6 5-speed.
And what is the problems today? What's the symptoms? What's going on?
Got misfires because I washed the motor.
Misfires from washing the motor. Okay. Multiple misfires actually. But you washed so it was washed what, like 4 days ago now?
3 days ago.
And it's still misfiring.
Yeah.
So first things first, we're going to take off
The intake. Because you got to take off the intake to get to the back three plugs.
Yeah.
Because Korea.
Because Korea.
Because Korea.
I like Jap bikes. Never had a Korean bike.
What would Korean bike be? A Jensen? Hyosung?
Hyosung, yeah.
Yeah.
It's funny it starts with an H as well. Well, let's take it all apart and forget about
Forget
sensors.
something.
Yeah.
We'll forget something. Before we take the intake bolts out, probably should disconnect the throttle cables.
Probably. I remember last time I was having issues with it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm here to help record.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome. Yeah, so water was spitting out of it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I say put some dielectric grease on it.
Yeah.
You think we should put it on the outside, or would that ground it out to the cylinder holes? Yeah,
No.
just on the inside. It's a good place for the 13.
All right.
So this one's probably the biggest culprit. Pulled it out and the boot's wet. You can see it's all shiny. It's wet.
Wet.
So it's grounding out to the cylinder wall on the plug.
Yeah.
So we'll blow out these back three, put some dielectric grease on it, put it back together, and it'll probably run like brand new.
Wow. Think some water got in there?
Just a little bit.
All right, so putting it back together, and hopefully it works. So how much torque you putting on that?
Snug.
Hell yeah. Snug.
Start it and see what happens.
Oh, you already plugged everything in?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Cool. So basically water in the plugs.
Yeah.
Okay. What an easy fix.
I'm checking the code just to make sure.
I'd race them. Take it around the block.
Yeah. You want to go with me?
Yep.